Things I wish I knew before becoming YouTuber. From my own story and the story of successful small YouTubers who also wish to do the same. This video I'm covering all of that. So if you are interested, please keep watching. I wish I knew that the publishing of the right videos is the success of YouTube. For sure, all of those small YouTubers I have studied all of them, I've realized that only 2 or 3 videos are taken of them are helping them grow very fast. To publish those right videos, you need to be very strategic by choosing your titles. Mostly you have to choose at least 10 small YouTube channels. And then what you do is filter those available videos into the most popular videos, and then study on those top 10 videos. You have to analyze what helped them get these videos viral, what helped them these videos get all of that views. From 10 YouTube channels, from 10 videos, it will be 100 videos. Studying on that, it will help you if you publish similar titles, similar thumbnails, you will get some viral videos in between them. At least 1, 2, 3 videos will help you grow very fast also. So getting the right videos, those viral videos, those help you take off your channel is the main secret that you need to learn on this platform. Most my own story, that is what I have found. And also studying all of those small YouTubers, only 2-3 videos are helping them grow as a first thing. So after that, they duplicate those kind of videos. Then what happens is they will also add a lot of value to their channel, and in that way they have succeeded really their business very well. So you should do the same also. I wish I knew that the consistency is the king of YouTube success. Absolutely, all of those small YouTubers and me personally, I have realized that the consistency publishing is all about success of YouTube. If you can publish very consistent on a regular basis, if you can provide the more quantity as you can, that is the success of YouTube. If you wanted to get some viral videos, at least you need to publish bunch of videos. The more content you publish, the more you get eyeballs, the more you get discovery. A lot of people will discover your videos because the people are searching on YouTube, they are searching on Google, they are also searching on other platforms. So they finally find your videos. So if you want really to get some quick growth on your YouTube channel, you should publish the most videos as you can. The more consistency you can, the more content you can provide. That is what help you to find your videos, and those traffic find your videos also. And it's all about relationship. The people publishing videos to them, they are mostly forget you if you don't publish consistent your videos. It's all about feeding a pigeon on a cage. The more you are giving them regular some food, the more they expect you. The more you publish videos, the more people also expect you publishing something. So if you want these people to remember you, to watch your videos mostly, please publish videos according to that. That will also help you to get some fast growth videos. Videos can help you grow your YouTube channel very quickly. So you put all of those videos into this platform, and then you expect success. That is the only way you can do that. So sometimes they say there is no one secret method of publishing videos. Maybe one video you will never think that it will get views, will get over 1 million views. All of those people, small YouTubers, they have agreed. They didn't knew that this video will go viral, but finally it went viral. So by SEO optimizing your videos, by doing all of those basic things, so the more you publish, the more you get. The more you provide something, the more you get. The more you are helping the people, the more they help you. Use what you have and be real. On YouTube, there is no secret of succeeding on YouTube. There is no fancy stuff, resource you need to succeed on YouTube. All of those successful small YouTubers, they never have even those basic video recording stuff. I remember that many of them, even they couldn't get a laptop to edit their videos, and some of them they never have any cameras to record their videos. They have been using their own smartphone. Janelle Ariana, first time I have found her YouTube channel, she was using her smartphone. She was very simple. She didn't have anything. She was broke, and she only was using this smartphone, editing her video, recording her video. Her first video got over 7 million views, and the second video got 14 million views, and now she's one of the YouTube stars. So she didn't have all of those fancy stuff to record her videos. So they all agreed that the materials and the resources are not the main thing, are not the essential. The main thing is the quality of the content, and be strategic by publishing videos. Being real is what helps you, not having a fancy stuff. Don't claim something you are not. Show the people what you are. Prove that you are really true person. People, they want someone to trust, and those fake people, they will never get any trust. You need to be trustworthy by the people. These people want someone to trust on, someone they want to take the advantage from, someone that they expect from some helpful tips. So if you want the people to really stick with you, like your videos, be with you, help you grow very fast on your YouTube, you should be real. Use what you have. No need for any fancy stuffs for YouTube channel. That is what they have wished they knew, and it's what I have wished I knew before becoming a YouTuber. If you get some benefit from this video, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.